And we've got some breaking news coming in now. Omar Abdullah, the former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, has stoked a fresh controversy, this time by pitching for a separate Prime Minister for Jammu and Kashmir. While slamming the centre over Article 35A, Omar has claimed that the Modi government has slowly eroded the special status promised to Kashmir. Omar even went on to say that the centre has taken away Jammu and Kashmir's identity and having their own Prime Minister. Sunil Ji Bhatt live with us from Jammu for more on the story. Sunil, take us through the context of Omar Abdullah's fresh comments and why they are controversial at this time.
Well, Shiv, this is an election season, as we all know,
yes.
And the Valley-centric, Kashmir Valley-centric parties, whether it's People's Democratic Party or National Conference, both of them have been resorting to fear-mongering as far as Article 35A is concerned, as well as Article 370 is concerned. Both these issues are sub judice and they are right now in the domain of the Supreme Court of India. But despite that, both these parties are resorting to fear-mongering, and they are saying that if these two articles are removed from the constitution, then the relationship of Jammu and Kashmir with the Union of India will end. But this is something very bizarre and shocking on part of these two parties, because as far as the nomenclature of Prime Minister and President is concerned in Jammu and Kashmir, this was done away with long back, and it hasn't happened in these 5 years. So clearly Omar Abdullah is trying to score some points as far as this issue is concerned, and had it been this issue of Prime Ministership or Presidentship, this nomenclature, then his grandfather Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah, his representative Mirza Afzal Beg negotiated the Indira Sheikh Accord with the representative of Indira Gandhi in 1975, G. Parthasarathi, and in that accord nowhere it was mentioned that that this particular aspect will be restored, that there will be Prime Minister instead of Chief Minister, or there will be President instead of Governor. So Indira Sheikh Accord was signed with the consent of both Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah as well as Indira Gandhi, and nowhere in that agreement National Conference had said that these two aspects should be restored.
Okay.
So clearly it reveals that there is some sort of hypocrisy on the part of Omar Abdullah, and he's trying to score some brownie points in this election season.
Well, this always happens during election season, doesn't it? Thanks very much, Sunil, for putting that into perspective for us. Thank you.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.